Can you guess where does the diamond fits? But your guess is right. Yes, you are right. It fits in the second. Where does the rectangle fits? No. Yes, it fits in the first. Hexagon fits in the third. Rectangle, diamond and hexagon. You did it right. Can you guess where does the vowel fits? No, no. Yes, you are right. It fits in the third. Arrow fits in the first. Semicircle fits in the second. Arrow, semicircle and vowel. You did it right. Do you know where does the diamond fits? No, no. Yes, you'll find it. No. Yes, the semicircle fits in the third. Hexagon fits in the first. Hexagon, diamond and circle. You did it right. You are brilliant. Can you guess where does the semicircle fits? No, no. Yes, it fits in the third. Circle. No, yes, it fits in the first. Pentagon fits in the second. Circle, pentagon and semicircle. You are intelligent and you did it right. Where does the arrow fits? No, no. Yes, you are right. It fits in the third circle. No. Yes, it fits in the first. Moon fits in the second. Circle, moon, and arrow. You are brilliant. You did it right. Can you guess where does the pentagon fits? No. No. Yes, you are right. It fits in the second. Hexagon. No. Yes. Semicircle fits in the first. Circle, pentagon and hexagon. Let's move into color. You are going to learn the brown color. Touch the brown items. Toothbrush, lock. No, it's pink color. The book is pink. Cot is also brown. You now learned the brown color. Toothbrush, lock and cart. You now know the brown color. You need to collect the brown items and put it in the basket. No, it's a golden color. Book is brown. Yes, you are right. Yes, your guess is right. You now learned the brown color. Let's look into the basket. Book, lock and the t-shirt. Yeah, you did it right. Can you guess the green color? Yes, you're right. The rocket is green, bag is green. No, it's wrong. It's brown and the ship is green. You learned the green color. Yes, rocket, bag and the ship. You are right. Now we are going to collect the green items. Can you guess it? Yes, the lock is green. No, it's a pink color. The tub is green and the book is green. Now let's see inside the basket. Lock, tub and the book. You are right. Let's learn the purple color. Can you guess it? Yes, you are right. Yes, you are brilliant and you found all the purple colors and you didn't say anything wrong. Yes, socks, book and the ice cream. Now you are going to touch the purple items. Can you guess it? Yes, you are right. No, it's wrong. It's a blue color. Yes, you are right and you are right. Let's see inside the basket.